This installation is carried out by Subway Energy Limited. We are having 3 Fronius inverters here. We have one Phoenix inverter 5 kVA for the critical loads. We have 3 Quattro inverters, each rated 15 kVA. We have the charge controller. We have the DC box. We have the AC box. We have the battery monitor. We have the PHCN box. The system is automated. And we have about 144 solar panels on top of the roof that will be used for the purpose of charging these solar batteries that are here. We have about 24 solar batteries here, each rated 2 volts 1000 ampere. If you are interested in any of our training session, online or offline, do well to DM any of the admin and you'll be attended to properly. For any size of solar installation, electrical design and installation, do well to communicate with us. We give you the best experience when it comes to power generation. Thank you.